Types of politician after independence of India. 1. 1947 to 1967. These are the first generation of politician of India. All politicians either were commonly intellectual, freedom fighter, farmers, lawyers. Nation was the first priority. Everyone were focused on New India, self-dependent on agriculture. These politicians used to resolve issues with non-violence and discussion. Industrialization and defense was the second priority. Example, Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, B.R. Ambedkar, etc. 2. 1967 to 1977. During this era it was the second generation of politician. The politicians were next generation of first generation politician, members of royal families who want to defend privy purse, zamindars, rich people and commonly well-known personalities of society, etc. These politicians were diverted either towards the socialism communism or towards industrialization. Many politicians were believed on blood revolution to be brought like Lenin, Karl Marx and Mao. During this era, many countries were experiencing the revolution and power change either by violence or by non-violence. Example, Vijayaraje Scindia, Gayatri Devi, Indira Gandhi, Charu Mazumdar, etc. 3. 1977 to 1987. During this era it was the third generation of politicians of India. Many of these were members of student union, student of socialism and journalism, industrialist, against license Raj, anti-Congress, spiritual leader, influencer, etc. This generation politician brought college campus politics in national level. Spiritual leaders brought caste discrimination and vote bank system. During this era violence and crime entered in politics. It led blame game and false statements which misguided the common peoples. Example, Lalu Yadav, Mulayam Yadav, V.P. Singh, Sharad Pawar, etc. 4. 1987 to 1997. During this era it was the fourth generation of politicians of India. Many of these politicians were the puppets of industrialists, spiritual leaders and underworld mafias. These politicians used to manipulate laws and bill as per their puppeteer. It created a lot of instability in country. It led to riots, bomb blast, terrorism everywhere in India. After certain period these politicians started countering their puppeteers. 5. 1997 till date. This is the era of fifth generation of politician, which at one side we have highly educated and intellectual politicians have great policy which can transform nation or uses to manipulate laws to favor their business partner and protecting bank fraud defaulter, and on other side some politicians are illiterate with zero intellectuality and criminal background. These criminal-minded and illiterate have short sight of vision and have created corrupt culture in society uses their muscle power to win elections. These politicians uses all the systems for their own benefit due to which common people is diverting away from principle of nation build-up and social work.